Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to completely uninstall Google Chrome from Windows 10. Open Chrome browser. Export all bookmarks from Chrome for future use. Click three dots in the right top corner. Click Bookmarks. Click Bookmarks Manager. Click right top three dots. Click Export Bookmarks. Save your desktop or any other location for future use. Next step to uninstall Chrome. Type Control Panel on search bar. Click Uninstall a program. Click Google Chrome and uninstall. Type folder options in search bar. Click View tab. Check Show Hidden Files and Folders. Click Apply. OK. Open Explorer, C Drive. Click Program Files x86. Delete Google folder. Click Users, then click your username. Click App Data. Click Local. Delete Google folder. Check Local Low and Roaming folder if any Google folder. Type Regedit on search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click HKey Local User. Click Software, delete Google folder. Click HKey Local Machine. Click Software, delete Google folder. Error deleting key pop-up appears on screen. Right-click Google folder, click Permission. Click Advanced. Change owner system to your username. Click Replace owner on subcontainers and objects. Also click Replace all child object permission entries. Click Apply. OK. Now delete Google folder. restart your PC. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.